Hello, and welcome to the Hubble course entitled 4 Scaffolded Experiential Activities for Engaging with Intersectionality. I'm Annette Benson, the instructor for this course and the manager of the Intercultural Learning Hub. As you probably know, this course was originally a workshop given at the 2022 SIETAR-USA conference entitled 5 Scaffolded Experiential Activities. But the first of the 5 activities is now covered in another Hubble course entitled Perspectives on Intersectionality. So we suggest that you undertake that one before this one. Because the content of this course was originally presented as a workshop, it is written with group facilitation in mind. That is why we suggest in the materials that you gather a small group to go through the materials with you, maybe over lunch or at a staff meeting or even a staff retreat. A group offers many more opportunities for discussion and reflection. But if you want, you can go through the course alone. It's totally up to you. It is our hope that you find this workshop as stimulating as the SIETAR group in Omaha did, that you are invigorated by the course's many types of resources, experiential activities, graphics, podcasts, and videos, and that your thinking is energized as you can consider how context can affect the saliency of your own intersecting identities. With that, let's get started.